Hello friends, Splash here, ready for a very special journey to meet California's first peoples, the Native American tribes who've called this land home for thousands of years. They're the original caretakers of this beautiful place, and their wisdom still teaches us important lessons today. Let's learn with respect and open hearts as we discover their amazing story. Did you know over 100 different Native American tribes call California home? From the Yurok in the north to the Kumeyaay in the south, each has their own special language and traditions. Some lived by the ocean like me, others in mountains, valleys, or deserts. Their beautiful languages have been shared for generations, like precious gifts from grandparents to grandchildren, keeping their culture strong. Native peoples are nature's wisest teachers. They know exactly which plants help us stay healthy and when to gather them. Just like my otter family knows the ocean, they understand when salmon swim upstream and which berries are ready to pick. Their most important lesson: share with nature. Always leave enough for plants to regrow and animals to eat. It's like one big family. Every tribe shares wonderful stories about life, nature, and being good people. Around fires and in homes, they tell tales of how animals got their special features and why seasons change. Their games teach teamwork and fun skills. And their art? Amazing. They weave baskets so tight they hold water and create beautiful beadwork that tells stories through time. Today's Native Americans keep their traditions alive while living in our modern world. Some work as doctors or teachers, while others protect nature as park rangers. Many teach their languages in schools and share their culture through amazing art galleries and museums. They're showing us how to mix the wisdom of yesterday with the cool stuff of today. Native Americans are so proud of who they are. At powwows, they celebrate with amazing dances and songs passed down through time. They teach their children to speak their languages and follow their traditions. And they work hard to protect sacred places where their ancestors lived. They're showing us all how to be proud of our roots while moving forward together. There are 2 videos on powwows and indigenous culture. Links are in the video description section. Check them out. You did it, adventurers! Subscribe and like to enjoy new stories every day. Scan the QR code for freebies like coloring book and storybook. Link is also available in the video description section. Check it out and have fun. Bye.